What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the 26th of May, Saturday. I'm going to do an update. If you watched the video yesterday, um, I told you I made another bot for ETH, and I believe the market was going to go up because it was in a consolidation period right there. It was consolidating. So I said I thought we was at the bottom, and I think we was going to go up from there. My prediction was exactly right. As I showed you in the last video yesterday, you can go back on it and take a look. The bot bought here, here, and here, and it was a little consolidation period. After this, let me do it 48 hours. Yeah, about here, here, and here. That's how I thought we were going to go up, and that's exactly what happened. We went up, and it knocked us out of some trades for profit. 3 trades to be exact. And here we go, right down here. 1.58% off of that trade, over 3%. Now that's real good. And 1.5% on that trade right there. So basically what I was saying on yesterday's video is if you got in as the market came down and the bot bought all your lots for you, you had 2 choices. You could either just wait for the market to go back up, or you could throw some more money in and start trading these lows right down here and make profit while we're down here in this level until we go back up and it knocks you out of profit from where you're at. Waiting on trades now, holding bags. So that's what I did. I put money in yesterday, and the bot bought them 3 positions right there, and it sold it. Doing this for so long, watching the charts, I could. I'm not the best trader in the world, but I've seen from past experience what historically what it was going to do. Prediction was right. I was right on the money on that one. But it's not always the case like that. But I didn't want to wait for the market to go back up to start making profit. I just threw some more money in. I trust the spot. The spot is done. I'm not at a loss. I'm at a profit from what the bot has done. And I understand, when you're in markets, patience. You've got to learn patience. That's one thing that you're going to have to learn, and that's patience. All right. Well, that wraps that up for the results. If you're new and you're trying to set up your bot, I use Coinbase and GDAX. So what you want to do is go to Coinbase, sign up with an account with Coinbase, and then go after you signed up with Coinbase, go to GDAX.com. Coinbase owns them. It's one company. It's just their trading platform, and it'll link to Coinbase. Well, once you send money over, Bitcoin over to GDAX, you'll see right here BTC and how much BTC you have. Well, if you're in the US, you want this right here to show BTC USD. You want that right there. Sometimes it's different, but you need to put BTC USD, or if you're overseas and you use the euro, it'd be BTC in the euro there. But if you're in the US, it's going to be BTC USD. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit sell, and then whatever you have in BTC. Now, this each time you put you send money BTC over to GDAX for your bot, you're going to have to exchange it for fiat currency. So you're going to hit sell, and then how much Bitcoin that you send over, and then you're going to hit place order. Now, your bot's not going to work unless you do this. The bot's not going to recognize that you have money to trade unless you do this. So once you send money, once you send BTC from Coinbase over to GDAX, it's going to show right here in BTC. What you're going to do is you're going to hit sell and put the how much BTC right here and place order. This confuses people. Don't let it confuse you. and then it's going to show in your USD account right here, and then the bot's going to recognize it when you set up your bot. Um, it'll recognize that you have money to trade with, and then you'll go right to start trading with GDAX today, and then go step by step, setting up, linking your API key. That way, the bot can make the trades for you over there on the platform of the GDAX platform. It don't take long. Once you get it all set up, create the first time creating bots, several bots. It only takes like 1 minute, and then once you have that all set up, you're ready to make your bots. And this right here is the countdown timer. That's how many. That's how long you have till you need to renew your bot, your package, or whatever you're on. Mine's a month and 20 days because I prepaid it for an extended period. I I like it to be out there. I don't want to be down a couple days and then something happens and then my bot completely stops and then I lose my funnel. And I want to make sure, and you want to make sure that you have plenty of time before your next renewal date, and be sure to renew it. That way your bot don't stop and it just creates chaos. To set up a bot, well, you go to your dashboard and you hit create new bot. All right, and what that did over there is like link your API keys. What I showed you, the videos, they show you how you link the API key. Mine's already in existence, so it just took it from GDAX, and we're here ready to create what crypto that we want to trade with. Um, you want to name your bot. You name it anything you want. Then you pick the currency pair that you want to trade. BCH, BTC, ETH, LTC. Then right here, the trading amount, return on investment. I always put mine all the way up. You might, I heard that you don't want to put it all the way up, but you can just put about 90% if you want to. And then your number of lots. You want to have a lot of lots, at least 10. 10 to 20 probably be great, just due to the fact that if like we've seen this past month where crypto has just took a downfall, that way it won't buy up. Once it buys up, you still have trades left. But if it buys all your 10 lots up, I would still have some money on the side. Um, that way you can throw more money in, create another bot, and you start trading at the lower levels. And then once it goes back up, I mean, it knocks you right back in. It knocks them bags into profit. And like I said, it's just a waiting game. It's just a waiting game. Um, and the more bots you have, the more trades you got going out there. It's going to get more consistent. If you got a low account balance, it's just going to take longer. And to be honest with you, it's just a little bit more frustrating, a little bit longer. You're going to have to wait for the market to come back up. But if you got money, which I made a plan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in extra $50 a week. That's $200 a month, and I'm gonna do that until I get about 3 or 4 thousand, maybe $5,000 in here, and I'm gonna see what kind of daily income I can make off of that. And then you can tell the bot how much you want to make. That's the best thing I like about this. The bot will not. If you want to make, see right there, that's 15.55%. You really want to stick between 0.85% and 3.5% that you want to get returned off of each profitable successful trade. So once you start putting in numbers right here, you'll see right here, return per lot, your percentage. So if I just wanted 2.33%, then I'll just put that right there. But you can make it. That's up to you what you want, what you're returning, how much you want returned to you. And a bot won't sell unless it gets that for you or higher. But the bot's going to try to get you more each time. That's basically it for today's results. I'm glad to see that uh, my second bot for Ethereum. See, I got bought out of these lots right here. I had 6 of them, which I should have had 10 to 20 of them, but I'm trading with the low account, so really not much I could have done right there. But I'm building this account up. I'm just showing people you want to test. And in about 15 days, you're going to see what your bot's doing, and it's going to give you strategies that you're going to think of, and you'll understand it. As time goes along. And that's why I make these daily videos to help out my team. If you got any questions, just message me on Facebook. I'll be glad to help you out. And you're not bothering me if you send me a lot of messages. It's not bothering me. I want to help you out. I know how it is. Cryptocurrency. When I first got into crypto, I had to learn it myself. But YouTube is one of the best places that you can go to learn how to do anything on. Visual learning. A lot of people have to watch somebody do it. And visual learning is like one of the best things. I'm a visual learner myself. But yeah, any questions, just message me on Facebook, and I'll see you on the next video tomorrow.